Franklin was a construction worker down on the east side of town. The folks there say he let his loved ones down. But what did they know, 'cause the sky was so close. His family so poor. Nobody says nothing when a hardhead hits the ground, except when he's got bills to pay and owes money all over town. So they found the note that read, "So long, farewell, cruel world." But folks die every day. Frankie's gotta get away. Oh God, please don't tell my son I went this way. She put her heart in a suitcase along with everything else. She moved in with her mother, couldn't stand being by herself. All the while thinking her future looks black, and the past all seems gray.